word problem number 1 is right here. So I don't have to repeat it every time. Just, pause, figure it out. I will go step by step, line by line. It is so weird talking to my phone and not talking to you. Line by line on each of these. Each video will be its own problem. I'm just going to talk you through how to do it. You'll also be able to see how to do it on the board. And hopefully you come up with the same answers that I came up with. If not, I hope it helps to look how I came up with the answers. Some of them are like unnecessarily tricky. I don't know why. And some of them are super easy. So anyways, number 1. You have $6,000 to invest. There's 2 accounts. One is 5% interest. One is 9% interest. And after a year, you made $380. So that's a great first step, is to just put down the information that you know. These are the numbers that we know. Then you have to figure out what is it that the question is asking me to find. So it's wanting you to find how much went into each one of these accounts. So that's our X and Y. X and Y will take the place of whatever it is that we don't know, that we're trying to find out. So we're going to let X be the amount of money that we put in the 5%. And we're going to let Y be the amount of money that we put in the 9%. So we know that between both of those accounts, we spent $6,000 total. So X and Y, the amount we put into the 5% and the amount we put into the 9%, should equal 6,000. So we get our first equation when we simplify that out. Y is equal to 6,000 minus X. Easy peasy first step. All right, for the next part of the equation, you know that the 5% interest and the 9% interest that you earned totaled 380. I don't know, can you see that? No, you can't see that. We're backing up. Oh gosh. 5% interest, 9% interest, they total 380. But we know this Y from our last equation. Y is equal to 6,000 minus X. So we're going to replace that Y with this. And that leaves us with this equation right down here. To make 5%, you just move the decimal 2 times, so it becomes 0.05x. Same thing for the 9, becomes 0.09. And instead of Y, we have this. Because now you just have one variable here, X. And it's super easy to solve for X from there. All right, of course you know how to simplify that equation, but this is what it looks like when you do. It says equals 380 right here. It's hard to see that. Equals 380. Yep. And then, of course, too many zeros. Move your decimal points around. Get those extra zeros over here. Very basic simplification from there. And there's your correct answer. Yay, you got it. What? Question number 1 down. I love you.